In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do list in Monday.com. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible board where you can track tasks by week, set statuses and due dates, and highlight priorities so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open the Monday.com homepage and make sure you're signed into your workspace. From your main view, look for the blue plus button. This is your quick way to add something new. Click that plus button, then choose Board. A board is the central place where your to-do list will live. Next, select New Board. When the setup options appear, choose Create Board manually. This gives you full control to build the board from scratch. In the name field, type To-Do List. If you see an option labeled Tasks, click it to match the simple task tracking structure we want. Now, choose a privacy type that fits your needs. Main boards are visible to your whole account, private boards are just for invited members, and shareable boards let you collaborate with external guests if needed. Pick the one that's right for your situation, then click Create Board to generate your new to-do list. You'll land on your fresh board with a default group at the top. Click the group title and rename it to Week 1. Groups are a great way to chunk your workload, and naming this first group by week makes it easy to plan and review at a glance. Under that group, you'll see a few default items. Click the first